Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to find and remove duplicate values in Excel. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Microsoft Excel, which of course I have done right here. So how do you find and remove duplicate values in Excel? So as you can see in this file, on this spreadsheet, I have quite a lot of duplicate values. Now we have this one that says Carretera, and just like a lot more. You have this Montana. You have Pasio. And of course, some of these countries in here in the countries category or in the countries row is the countries column is duplicated. So there are a lot of duplicate values and duplicate figures in this particular sheet. So let's say I want to find and remove the duplicate values. So I'm just going to click on the duplicate values. So I say this is one of it, and I'm selecting this one, So just select any of the duplicate values. And highlight them. So once you do that, head over to the top corner where you have Home, Insert, Draw, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, and Review. Go ahead and click on Data. Got it. So now we're in this Data option. We have all of these features in here, and just go ahead and locate Remove Duplicates and select Remove Duplicates. So this can't be done on the multiple range selection. So select a single range and try again. Okay, that's fine. So my system cannot allow me to do that. So I'm just going to select the single. So the single is Carretera. So I'm going back to Remove Duplicates. So I'm going to see it's going to display all the rows and columns that have this particular value, and they'll be able to remove it. So click on Remove Duplicate. Now you can select all. So all of them have been selected, or you can click on Unselect All. So I'm just going to leave it at Select All. So you can select the columns that you need to remove duplicate on. So you can select it. Let's say I want duplicate from country to be removed. So I'm just going to click on segment. So let's say country and products. I'm going to check. Okay. I'm not going to stress myself. I can just click on Unselect All. So now I've headed over to Unselect All. I can now say remove duplicate from country, remove duplicate from products. My data has headers. You can select that for them to know that it has headers. So click on OK. 670 duplicate values found and removed. 31 unique values remain. So that's it. That's how you can find and remove duplicates. So I just go ahead and click on OK. And that is off this list. So that's pretty much the process. If you want to undo it, go ahead and click on this option and you'll be able to undo what you did. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, we're good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.